Have you ever felt that people are drawn to you, intimidated by you, or just feel something powerful whenever you walk into a room? Some men have a presence that is magnetic, unshakable, and intense, and it often comes from an inner strength that most people don't understand. But having a strong personality is not about arrogance or trying to dominate others. It's about self-mastery, clarity, and conviction. On Stoic True Wisdom, we explore how Stoic philosophy and timeless wisdom can help you recognize and develop these traits, while understanding how your intensity affects your relationships and your life. In this video, I'm going to share 7 signs that you have a strong and intense personality. These are subtle, sometimes misunderstood traits, but they show that you possess a mindset that many people envy but few can understand. 1. People feel your presence without you saying a word. One of the clearest signs of a strong personality is that your presence alone communicates something powerful. You don't need to raise your voice, show off, or demand attention. There's a natural gravity about you that draws people in or makes them take notice. The Stoics believe that inner strength radiates outward. Marcus Aurelius often emphasized the importance of carrying oneself with dignity, calm, and purpose. When you walk into a room with focus, awareness, and confidence, people can sense it. Your energy speaks louder than words. Think about the last time you noticed someone feeling off or cautious around you. That's often a subconscious recognition of your intensity. Your mind is grounded, your emotions are in control, and you don't allow anyone to disrupt your calm. 2. You do seek approval from others. People with strong personalities don't live for validation. You understand that your value comes from your actions, discipline, and principles, not from the praise or approval of others. Epictetus taught that it is not others' opinions that define you, but your own reasoned judgment. You have the ability to observe without reacting to the noise around you. That's why toxic people, manipulators, or shallow minds often struggle to influence you. A sign of your strength is that even if people dislike you or misunderstand you, it doesn't shake your self-perception. You are secure in your identity and confident in your choices. 3. People often misunderstand or fear your intensity. Strong personalities are often intimidating because others can't easily read your intentions. Your intensity can be mistaken for anger, arrogance, or aggression, but in reality, it's focused energy and clarity. Seneca wrote that the wise man maintains an internal fire and uses it with discipline. Your intensity is a reflection of your focus, drive, and commitment to personal principles. People who feel weak or insecure may react to this intensity with fear, avoidance, or criticism. This is a natural part of having a strong personality. Not everyone will like you, and that's okay. Your energy is not for everyone, and it doesn't need to be. 4. You have high standards for yourself and others. People with intense personalities often set high standards, not out of arrogance, but out of respect for themselves and life. You hold yourself accountable in ways that most people avoid. Marcus Aurelius wrote that a man should be honest with himself and strive for virtue in all things. This means you don't tolerate mediocrity, not from yourself and not from others. This can make relationships, friendships, and partnerships challenging because not everyone can meet your standards. But the people who align with your energy will value your clarity, integrity, and consistency. 5. You feel deeply. Even if you do show it, intense people often experience emotions at a profound level. But unlike impulsive people, you control how you express them. Your emotions fuel your action, but they don't control your decisions. Stoicism teaches that emotions are signals, not commands. You can feel anger, sadness, joy, or passion deeply, yet maintain a calm exterior. This balance is what makes your personality magnetic. People sense the fire within, even if you rarely show it openly. This depth makes you empathetic to those who are sincere and indifferent to those who are shallow or manipulative. You are selective about where and how you invest your energy. 6. You are rarely distracted by drama or gossip. A strong personality thrives on focus and clarity. You don't waste energy on petty arguments, gossip, or attempts to manipulate you. Instead, you keep your mind aligned with your purpose. Epictetus said that wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Similarly, the mentally strong person's power lies not in controlling others, but in controlling where they give attention. Toxic or dramatic people often try to provoke you, but your intensity and discipline make you untouchable. Your calm authority disarms them, and they quickly realize they can't pull you into their chaos. 7. You inspire respect, even without trying. Finally, a clear sign of a strong and intense personality is that people respect you, often unconsciously. You don't demand it, but it comes naturally because of your consistency, discipline, and integrity. Marcus Aurelius emphasized that true leadership is through example, not through words alone. When you live with self-mastery, emotional control, and presence, you naturally become a reference point for others. People notice, even if they don't say it out loud. Your energy, focus, and clarity attract those who seek guidance and repel those who thrive on manipulation. This is not arrogance, it is magnetic authenticity. Having a strong and intense personality is both a gift and a responsibility. It allows you to influence, inspire, and lead, but it also requires discipline, self-awareness, and emotional control. Recognize these traits within yourself are signs that your presence matters and that you are capable of achieving great things. If you recognized yourself in these traits, like this video, subscribe to Stoic True Wisdom and hit the notification bell. Practice understanding your intensity, refining it with Stoic principles, and letting it guide your life with purpose, calm, and silent authority. Remember, your strength is not in dominating others, it's in mastering yourself, commanding your energy, and living with unwavering presence.